I played my first funeral for money when I was a junior in high school. My father had to get creative on the excuse to get me out of class. I am a lifelong Lutheran. I have made it priority number one to play the most grandest arrangement of a mighty fortress at each and every funeral as the person is escorted out of the church for the last time. I finally have accepted that my death is happening soon and my church work will be over. This piece is strictly for me. As I play it, it just pours from my heart. I can stop working now.